Today we want to talk about measurement reading in fashion designing, specifically in tailoring. We use tape rule as our tools to take measurements, and this tape rule is graduated in what? Inches. And then these inches, for every inches, it is calibrated, it is graduated in what? 1/8. It is graduated in 1/8. That is to say, from 0 to this stick is known as what? 1/8. And then from this one to this one is 2/8. From this one to this is 3/8. From this one to this one is 4/8. From this to this 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and then 8/8. Now let's now trace it up. This is our what? 0. The first stick, I call it what? Is what? 1/8. If you trace it up, you see your what? 1/8. From this 1/8 to this one is known as our what? 2/8. And then if you trace it up to this side is 2/8. 2 divided by 8 will give you 1/4. This is known as a quarter. From this one to this one is known as our what? 3/8. When you trace it up, you see your what? 3/8. And then from 3/8 to this one is known as 4/8. That our 4/8 will give us what? 1/2, which is our what? Our half. And then from 4/8 to this one is 5/8. This is our 5/8. From here to here is our 6/8. 6/8 will give you what? 3/4. If you divide it by 2, 2 here 3, 2 here 4 will give you 3/4, which is known as our what? 3/4. And then from 6/8 to this is known as our what? 7/8. This is our 7/8. And then from 7/8 to this 1 inch is known as our 8/8. 8/8 will give you what? 1. That is how measurement is reading from the what? Tape rule. Go from 1 to 2, and then from 2 to 4 till 60 inches. Go to the rest of the reading. This is 1, 1/1/8, 1/2/8, which is 1/4, 1/3/8. This is 1/4/8, which is 1.5 or 1.5. This is 1/5/8. This is 1/6/8, which is 1/3/4. This is 1/7/8, and then this is what? 2. That is how it is. From 2 now, it is what? 2/8, 2.25, 2/3/8, 2.5, 2/5/8, 2/3/4, 2/7/8, and then 3. How measurement reading goes. The reason why this 1/8 is very important is that when people take measurement, they omitted it. Let's assume somebody measured 20/1/8. So it is very difficult for some people to write 1/8. They say, okay, is it that, let me approximate it to be 20.25 or 20. So this 1/8, if you omit it, is going to give you problem when you finish the job, because this 1/8 is also a measurement on its own. So I implore everybody to take it into account. It's very, very important. 1/8 is very, very important, because that is the thank you very much. Now that we have come to the end of our lecture today, that is measurement reading, I implore everybody to master the readings very well. So, and I believe it's very understood. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask us. Thank you very much at ID Clothing Company. The first video we did, we only used the calibration and the tape rule as an illustration, but now we want to make use of the real tailoring tape rule for our reading. You can see that this tape is a tailoring tape rule, but merely looking at it very well, we see that there is pin covering the graduation here. So as a result of this, I'm going to remove this pin so that we can see the graduation very well. Now I've removed the pin. Can you all see it? Yes. This is our, from the tape rule. Now let's look at it critically. This is our what? 0. This is our 0. From 0 to this one is our what? Our 1/8. This is the first stick, is our what? 1/8. From this place to this place is our to 8, 2 over 8, which is equal to 1 over 4, known as what? Quarter. This is our 3/8, 3 over 8. This is our 4/8. Our 48 will give us what? 1 over 2, which is our half inch. Our 5/8 is this. This is 6/8. 6 over 8 will give us what? Over 4. This is known as our what? 3/4. 3/4. This is our 7/8, and this is our 8/8. 8 will give us what? 1, meaning that from this is 0 to this point is known as what? 1 inch. And the calibration inside 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. That is how the reading on the table is done. This is 1/8, this is 2/8, this is 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. That is to tell you that calibration on the tailoring table is based on 1/8. Now, from 1 now, if you want to read it, this is 1/1/8, this is 1/1/4, this is 1/3/8, this is 1/4/8, known as 1.5. This is 1/5/8, this is 1/6/8, known as what? 1/3/4. And this is 1/7/8, and this is 1/8/8. 1/8/8 is known as what? 2. That is 1 plus 8/8, which is equal to 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Now from now, this is 2.25, 2.5, 2/3/4, 3. That is how you do your reading, and so on and so forth. Thank you very much.